Yo, what is going on, everybody? We are back today with another YouTube video. It's been a little bit, but I am back, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not buy this pair of Air Jordan 1s when these release. Why? Because you'll be able to save money and get them for well under retail. You can get them for under retail now as we speak. This sneaker does not release until June 22nd. For some reason, they got pushed back. I was able to get them overseas, paid retail, plus shipping overseas. Hey, for them early, I am a creator. I'll take it. It's cool. We have the regular Jordan 1 box, which is different because this model does not usually come in this type of box. We usually get the woman's box for this model, but this time they gave us the black and red Jordan 1 box. So I'm going to tell you guys, listen, if you guys want these, they're a cool pair of shoes. It is an OG Air Jordan 1. They're nice, but listen, regarding spending retail, you don't have to. You do not have to spend full retail $200 on these. There's no reason to do that on this pair of sneakers, so wait it out. Wait it out, wait it out. If you want them before the release here in the United States, you can go get them for under retail. You can go on apps and get them for under retail or right around retail with the fees and everything. Or what I suggest is waiting until June 22nd for the release date, and then after that, we're going to see them go for well under retail, even less. Could this sneaker drop to $150? Yeah, I think so. I definitely think so. Retail's $200. It's just not there. The hype, the demand for the Air Jordan 1, not there anymore. There's no love for the Air Jordan 1s anymore. Do you guys love the Air Jordan 1 just as much as I still do? Let me know down below in the comments. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that red button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys give this video a big like. Let's get this video up to 300 likes, and let's get into this Air Jordan 1. These are clean. They are clean. They're nice. They're a cool pair. It's a pass for me. I'm just being honest. They're a pass for me. But I did want to get them here on the channel to show you guys a little bit early. They are a size 8.5. I didn't even get my size. I did not even get my size, but that's okay. These are the Air Jordan 1 High 85. White, team red, and white is the official colorway. 8.5. Let's get into them. Like I said, this is not the box that we're used to for this Jordan 1 model. These right here are the 85 high metallic burgundy Air Jordan 1s. Yeah, this is an OG. This is an OG. They gave us a similar shoe, I want to say in 2017, around there, with the red. However, it is not the metallic burgundy, it was red. This is much closer, and actually close, a lot close, to the OG, how it was in 1985. Jordan Brand is giving us some sneakers back that are OGs, finally. This is, I believe, the first time we're seeing this retro. I could be wrong. Let me know down below in the comments. I don't count the 2017 metallic red pair because it's red, not the metallic burgundy. The metallic burgundy is where it's at, and you do have, of course, the writing on the inside because this is an 85 high. So you get feature that on this model. The beautiful Nike Air in that different font, how we're used to on the other Air Jordan 1s. So these are the 85s. Which means the leather is going to be stiffer. It's going to be stiffer, but it's supposed to be a nicer quality of leather. I'm not sure about that. I personally have never worn a pair of 85 highs. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have. I think these are clean. I think they're nice. But I will say they will be slept on. They will be, and they're not going to go for much money over retail. They're not going to go for even retail, guys. So buy them if you want to, but wait it out. There's no reason to pay full retail on this shoe. To be honest, here in 2024, sneakers are down a lot, if you ask me. There's no reason to be spending over retail on most of these sneakers anymore. Shoe game has died a lot. So I definitely believe that these will just go for well under retail. Listen, it's a clean shoe. If you want to wear them, enjoy them, spend your money on them, do it. But wait. You don't gotta pay retail, bro. There's no reason to spend that $200 price point anymore on, well, Jordan 185s for the most part. It looks like the shoe game has completely changed, guys. If you ask me, it's not where it used to be. It's not enjoyable. I'll be honest. I think when shoes like this come out, it just brings down the shoe game, the hype, the level. I love hype. I love hype as a content creator, and these just have no hype. So you got to understand where I'm coming from. As a content creator, I love the hype. I do as a content creator. It makes the shoe game and doing YouTube and being a content creator more fun when there's hype involved. It really does. There's no hype, and it just kills the funness as much for me, and I'm sure for a lot of other content creators. But you know that we're all gonna be here pushing out content. It is what it is at the end of the day. These are very, very clean though. Very nice, all white with the metallic burgundy. They do come with some extra goodies. You do have the hang tag here, as well as extra laces as well. So you get white laces on them, and if you want to lace them up with extra laces, you can do so here with the metallic burgundy. I think that'll make the shoe pop a little bit more as well. You get the metallic burgundy there on the bottom, so that's a nice touch for the outsole. The midsole all white shoe for the most part with the metallic burgundy hits. They're clean. They are. They're clean. For some reason, they got pushed back. They did release, I believe, overseas in February, and now that for some reason they got pushed here in the United States, pushed back till June. So June 22nd, retails $200, and they're gonna sit. I don't expect them to sell out. I don't expect them to be that much demand. Eventually they'll sell out, but I do expect people to wait it out, and you guys can get them for well under retail. Do not buy these for full retail. There's no reason to do so. There's simply no reason to do so unless you just want them, call it what it is. You don't care about the money, boom, got your shoe, call it a day. But if you want them for a good price, wait it out. Wait it out, and resellers, you guys know, stay away. There's no reason to be spending money on this shoe unless you get it for well under retail and flip it for retail or right under retail. But other than that, do not spend full retail on the Air Jordan 1 metallic burgundy 85 highs. They're clean. We'll see how they do on June 22nd. They're going to sit. I'm going to tell you guys right now, they will sit. They do fit true to size, and they are a very nice pair of Air Jordan 1s at the end of the day. 85 highs, and yes, this is an OG colorway. Hopefully we get more OGs coming very soon. I would appreciate that very, very much. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.